My name's Dennis. I'm going to show you how to hook up a fan that you can yank out of a microwave, the ventilation fan for the over the range. One of these. Nice fan. Perfect for a ball mill, which is what I'm going to make out of mine. I see a lot on here with people confused about wiring them because of, well, they got a shitload of wires. So, alright, double vent fan. Usually has a shroud on it. Sits in the top of a microwave. Like I said, a great fan. Alright, most of them, if you still have the cover, they're going to give you a somewhat wiring diagram. And if you don't know how to read these, you're going to be resetting the breaker every 5 minutes when you plug this in. But it's showing that white is your running, red and orange get a capacitor in between them, but it's a small one, 10 microfarad. I probably don't even need it because we're not running anything else into it. And it shows that sky blue is high, violet is low, so you can hook them both up together or just one. So let's start. Alright. The white. Now you do need to make sure that this is running the right direction because it's polarized. And with the capacitor in the middle of it, you got to pay attention to polarity. Tell you the truth, I already had a capacitor put in this sucker earlier, and it ran fine with it. I took it out. It runs fine without it. This is the capacitor between red and orange. If you see between the red and orange, there's a little C. That's a capacitor, and the cap right there is 10 microfarad. I imagine 250 volt or so. I'll stick whatever I got. So I'm just going to hook those two wires together. The purple I'm going to leave hanging out, so it should come on like low speed. Uh-oh. Hear the hum? Apparently it does need that capacitor. Alright, I can give it a little kick. And the thing is, if you have that capacitor in there, you have to wire switches to keep the power off of it once you're done with it. You know what I'm saying? Alright. I'm going to hook the purple up with it. I need it slower. I want to turn this into a ball mill, and that's just too fast. So that's going to require something completely different altogether. A shitload of resistors. Yeah, see, it's going to be hard. Lots of weight would be the best way. So let's see if this jinx. Alright. I guess that's low, but it's too fucking fast. I mean, we'll see by the time I get a good load on it. But damn, sure would be sweet if this is my container. Damn, one in here. Oh, come on, that's way too fucking easy here. I don't get that lucky. Let me see. This will work. Alright, let's see how max with half a load on it. Ah. Way too fast. But when I run the ball mill, I can always put a gear on it. One gear and break that speed in a third, about 75% or so. I will keep you posted, but that's how you get the fan running.